I have Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus, and let me show you all secret codes that works on this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the phone styler and let's start with the first secret code. So let me check out the firmware version. Let's enter the following code *#1234 and hash. As you can see, the version of the device just pops up. Here you can read the AP, CP, CSC and the model number. Let's go back. If you would like to open the main version of the device, let's use this code *12580 *369 hash. As you can see, the main version pops up. Here you've got a couple of more useful information. Let's go back, and this time let me show you how to open the first test mode. So let's enter this code *7353 hash. As you can see, the test mode just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. For example, here you can test the melody, vibration, speaker, diming and other stuff such as the camera, Bluetooth, dot mode or light sensor. Let's go back. You may also use some advanced test mode by using this code *#0# and the following mode pops up. Here you can test the colors of the screen: red, green, blue. You may test the receiver and other stuff such as the sensors, front camera, black light, sub key and a lot of more. Let's go back. Let me quit this test mode. Alright, now let me show you how to check and how to open the service mode. So let's use this code *#0011# and the service mode pops up. Here you've got some basic information about your device. You can also use more key, and here you can see the following options. That's it. Let's go back again. Let me quit the service mode. This time let's check out the advanced service mode. So let's try to enter this code *2683662 and hash. As you can see, this is the advanced service mode that you can use. For example, you can see the menu, you can press back key, you can see the current command, you can see also the same option as in the previous service mode. So that's it. Let's go back. This time let me open the battery status mode. So let's use this code *#0228# and the battery status pops up. Here you can see the battery information. Let's go back, and this time let me check out the advanced firmware version. So let's use this code *2663#, and this is the advanced firmware version that you can use right here. Let's go back. Now let me show you how to enter the USB settings mode. So let's enter *#0808#. USB mode pops up. You can change here the USB mode, the USB settings. Let's go back, and at the end let me show you how to check out the email by using the secret code. So let's use *#06#. As you can see, the email number and also the serial number pops up, even with the barcodes. So that's it. Let's tap OK to close this window, and basically everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.